in the shed looking at the identifying features of this plant, Petty Spurge, Euphorbia peplus. Petty Spurge grew on every street I surveyed over summer. It's got this white sap that runs throughout the plant, and it's a feature of all the Euphorbia genus. I've done a few drawings to help show its structure. The leaves are alternate up the stem and have a short stalk or petiole. The flowering stems can occur in the leaf axils, but at some point the main stem flowers, and at the base of this first flower grow 3 new flowering shoots. They then grow, flower at the end, and at the base of this flower grow 2 new flowering shoots, and then 2 more. Let's just pop outside a sec. Here is a great example. We can see the main stem there, then the first split into 3, and then the split into 2, and then another 2, and then another 2. The simple maths that describes the form makes this plant quite exquisite. And another thing is its flowers. I've started by taking a tiny bud from one of those flowering stems or peduncles from the base of a flower. It's just over 1 millimetre long, and on opening it up we can see not only the immature flowering structure, but also 2 tiny new developing buds. It's like a bud within a bud, or a baby within a baby. They're like aphids. These are actually 2 bracts, and they help to protect the infant flower. This unusual flowering structure here is called a cyatheum. Somewhere along the line, the Euphorbiaceae family decided that the standard issue inflorescence using petals and sepals to advertise its male and female flowers was not for them. What they liked were nectar glands, and a lot of the time the shape of the nectar glands is used to help identify the species of Euphorbia. Petty Spurge here has 4 of them, and they're shaped like little horned pods. Inside this cyatheum is a large female flower consisting of 3 fused carpels or ovaries, and on top of there the 3 yellowish stigma. The carpels grow really fast, and by the time that the pair of bracts have naturally opened, it's already outgrown the cyatheum and bursts out the top, and it hangs by its peduncle. Here we've got the 2 bracts, the cyatheum, the nectariferous glands, the female flower, and here are the yellow anthers of the male, which nestle inside the cyatheum. Here I've opened the cyatheum, which never grows much more than 1 millimetre, and then removed the female flower and its peduncle to show 5 male flowers, the stamen, made up of filament and anther. This one poking out the top is already dehiscing and releasing its pollen. When the seeds are ripe, the carpels burst open and catapult its seeds in 3 directions, up to 30 centimetres away. This, and the fact that it matures when it's at a very young stage, makes this plant a very successful one.